Hi and welcome to this particular video, to this edition. And here in this video, I'll be showing you how to create an ebook, right? To create an ebook using Canva. As you can see on my screen, this is Canva, the Canva design environment. So Canva is pretty much is a platform that can help you create lot of stuff, a whole lot. This video is not to cover all that aspects. Here we want to look at how we can create an ebook. So it's so easy to create an ebook. It's really so easy that you don't even need to think much about it. Just have your content, design your ebook cover, design the content for each of the pages, and then you are good to go. It's pretty that easy. So if you have been able to create your content, you've sat down, you've created your content, you've written it out somewhere, probably you have written it out on Google Doc. It's just for you to copy the content and paste. Okay, but the first thing we want to do, one thing you want to understand, that Canva already has a template to help you do this. So ready-made template, you just have to copy and paste. You just have to be smart about it. There's no big thing about it. Anyway, this video is to show you how to go about it. So here we are. So you can do this on your mobile phone, but here I'm actually using the my PC to actually to record this video. So the first thing I want to do is just simply go to, when you log into your Canva, it brings you here. This is the home page of Canva, and you come to this search place and you type just type something like book cover. Okay, type something like book cover. So you will see a couple of book covers. So this is how an ebook looks. This is the size. I don't know if you can see my cursor. This is the size, and there are different, you know, cover ebook cover, you can use. Okay, different. Okay, so but then if you want to it's just best to narrow down your search. Okay, because it depends on what you want to create. For me, if I want to create an ebook that is under business, finance, money and all of that, then I'll definitely going to have something like, maybe I could just type something like finance, or sorry, something like finance here. Sorry, so I'm going to type something like finance, and then it will give me some ebook designs. Okay, I can use as template and then just change. So there are different kind of designs here. Okay, let's see anyone that would suit our taste. Let me just go through. I'm just looking at uh, okay, let me pause the video. I'll go through. If I see one that I like, I'll pick it. Okay, so yeah, I've seen this one. This looks interesting to me. Keep investing, why, and all that. So, but let me go through again. And I've also seen this one. This one also looks interesting. So what I want to do is just open them up in two different tabs. So I have one tab here. Let me move this guy a bit. So I have one tab here, and this is this one. Then I have another one, and this is this. So it depends on what I want to use. So let me just use this, because this looks really simple. Okay, looks really simple. And so once you have the template you want to make use of, just click on customize this template, and it opens up another tab for you. And so let me zoom out this a bit so I can design. So you can put in your content. So let me say um, money making secret, something like this. I'm just writing this off the top of my. I don't have a content for this particular stuff, so I could decide to um maybe add something else to just give it some bit of design. But let me leave that out here. So this is the title of the book. Okay, the title, the money making secrets. Let me put an S there. Yeah, it depends on whatever your title is. I could decide to, yeah, I'll just leave it here like this. Okay, then that's okay. Then yeah, you can put in the maybe a subtitle like money making secret, how to, let me just type something like here, how to make money without learn how to make money I'm just thinking of what I can write here. How to make, so you want to give it subtitle anyway. So you know what I'm talking about. I don't want to waste time here. You want to give it subtitle. So this is the heading. The subtitle will be a follow-up message to give some kind of description to what the title is about. So people judge the book by the cover, right? So people will want to look at what you're covering, what you're trying to cover in your what the book is about by looking at the cover, right? And maybe going through the table of contents and all of that. So you should have a subtitle here, and it should be able to explain what the book would address. One major pain point, one major issue, or that's going to be solved by reading that book. Do you understand what I'm talking about? So that's what the subtitle will do for you. So when you are done typing that, you can now put in um your title, sorry, your name. And for me, this is my name, right? Okay, so this is my name. So it's pretty that easy. Then you do other kind of designs. If you want to change this image, so you can come to elements. So let me talk about money. Let me just type money, and you see different kind of money here, designs here. So you can bring this in and just make it maybe just change the image. Is an image, just give it some blur effects. um, okay, I'm trying to look at what effect I can give to it. There's supposed to be some effect here where I can blur the effect, blur the image, and all of that. So this video is not to cover all of that. Okay, just want to touch on the basics, and we can just add some images just to um, I'll talk about what, so this picture does not really talk much about what we want to do. So this seems to talk more of it, money. This is social media, whatever, but this talks more on money, as you can see. And I can move this to this place and bring it forward. Click on position and bring it to front. I want to bring it to the front. Then this guy, I don't need this because I'm talking about money. Everything here should reflect that's exactly right. Do you understand? So just arrange it the way you want, something like this. Let me position this to the front. Okay, something like this, whatever. Just do your design, do your diligence, then do diligence rather, and all that. So once you're done designing your front cover, the next thing is to the um design your table of contents. So something is just Canva has everything. So you come here and okay, let's come here. This is the home page or here. Okay, come here and type table. Sorry, table of contents. Just type table of contents here, and you pretty much get some beautiful table of contents that you can make use of. Depends on what you want. This table of content looks cool to me. This table of content looks really nice. All right, so I mean, you can see there are a good number of them. You don't need to get confused about which to use. I can decide to just take this. So what you want to do is open a table of contents, right click it. If you're using your system, just right click it, or you're using your phone, and just go to the home page, because normally when you choose a template to design on, Canva will open a new tab. So go back to the original tab or the home page tab, and then click on the template you're looking for. Another tab will open for you. Okay, so for me, I want to open it on another tab. I think we're not working with this, we are working with this. Precisely, we're working with this. So I'm going to cancel this. So let me just limit it to this. So I have this, then I click on customize this template. So what I want to do is select everything here and click on Control C as copy. Then I go to this design here. I click on add page, and I maybe remove this color because I want to take the background color that is here. I'll just take away, well, just make this color white, the background of this to be white. Then I click on do Control V to paste what I copied. Okay, as you can see, it has been copied, but as you can see, it's not filling the entire page. So what I have to do is click on this bottom right node and just drag it over till it fills the entire page. And here we go. Okay, so this is table of content and it's looking really okay. And then I depending on my brand color, so I'm seeing a beautiful color here. I could just use as a brand color. So this is the color. I Let me click on it. So this is the color. It's like the brand color that came with the table of content. Let me copy this color and possibly use it as the background color here and see what what it how it comes out. Click on V. So I don't know if this color is okay, is good enough, or I simply just make it brownish. Okay, like cocoa brown, right? I think it's now blending a bit. Now blending a bit, and the color, this other color too, is some kind of blue, right? So that's how your colors have to. There's a branding part to this whole thing. So your colors have to match. So okay, so I just decided to just go with the color flow that I am seeing here. All right. So here you now put you can say introduction. So here can be sorry, introduction. All right. Then you have here could be um probably chapter one. You just say just give it the title. Obviously, it will be chapter one. You can give it the title, or you can just put chapter one. Yeah. Then so introduction, you can decide to remove this. So this is just introduction. Maybe there's nothing much to it, but here you want to give it what is the chapter one about. Okay, what is chapter, then here will be chapter two, what's chapter two about, chapter three, so on and on and on. So once you're done with the table of content, you click on add page. This thing did not work as I expect. Okay, this actually filled the entire page, and okay, so this did not work. So let me copy this again. I think something is not correct, and let me select everything here on this page and delete, or Ctrl Z. Let me create. Hope you understand what I'm trying to do. I want this thing to fill the entire page. But the funny thing that is, if it fills the entire page, some elements would disappear. Like this one on the right now will disappear. So the ebook and the table of content are not exactly the same size. Okay. So if I want the edge, so let me reduce this. So if I want this edge to be there, I would just need to, maybe since I've done this here, probably reduce the size, reduce everything here, reduce the table of content, reduce about pretty much about everything. Just reduce them a bit, just this ones. Okay, can you see what I'm doing? Then move it a bit to the right so I can bring in this other side, which is, there's an element here. I copy this element, bring it here, and position it just somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here. All right, so that gives me what I have here. Okay, and the background color. Okay, so so this color kind of, so just showing you how to get the colors if you want to make use of them. If you feel like colors are cool for you, then so the background color will just be this. Click on this place, click on this, and you have the colors here. Okay, okay. Let's even try if the colors, if the same color will work. Fine. It's not, it won't work. This is pretty much it. And then you do all the things I've mentioned before. So let me remove this and see how this two work. Okay. They do not work so well. I could just go with this blue color here, right? This is the color here, and I make it the background color. And then so these two colors are beautiful, like they blend so well. So the next thing I want to do is create a new page. So this is where you start adding your table, sorry, your content. So like, for example, so let's say you just put the text here, and let's say add a heading or a subheading, and you say let's use this place. So you can see there is a box. Can you see this box in which color I'm going to call it? Maybe purple or something. Okay, that guides you on where you should put your text. Okay, so you say introduction. Okay, so you can actually choose, make use of a particular a font for this. Depends on you, whatever font you want to use here. Okay, I'm using Canva Sans. I just want to make it, this is Futura and this is Futura, so maybe we'll continue on the same Futura as well, just for it to have for us to have this, what's it called, alignment, and sorry, have this branding around everything. So I can make this, put it at the center, click on position and put it, let's say center, right? I can put introduction center, and then I start putting on more content. So let me put an element here to guide you on where you should put your text. Okay, now see, if I carry this around, what is it showing me? It's giving me a guide. Okay, can you see? Good. So what do you see here now? All right, so this is just showing you where your content, everything about your content should be. Okay, so I could just give this um okay, I'm trying to show you how you can mark it, or better still, let me see. I want to see the ruler. Let's go to file and show rulers and guides. Okay, so I can delete this. This is what I was trying to talk about. So I'm going to put a ruler around here. Okay, and I'm going to drag another ruler down. Let me reduce this. Drag another ruler down. As you can see, drag one here and drag another one here. So it means all my text will flow within this place. So that means this has to come down a bit, then my content will now flow in. So if we put content, click on text, and we just put little body of text, and then you start filling in, your content. You start filling in content. So when you are done, so now when you fill in, let me just use a dummy text. Let me use a dummy text. Let's say Lorem is born generator. Let me just use something, a dummy text. So let's say my book is just like this, and I'll just put copy. Let me just copy this. Let me copy this. I don't need everything now. Copy. I'm using a dummy text to show you something. So here, my text should be. Let me just paste. Okay. So you can see, I will just align my text. Your text should be left aligned. So I'll align my text, and of course give it some paragraphings for easy reading. So this is what's the last paragraph here? So this is the last paragraph after it was. So this is a paragraph. Then this is size what? Size 44 is looking really big. Let me check. It's looking really big. I don't need this size, so I could just reduce this. Just take it down. Let's say size 35. Now let's even look at see how it looks. Okay, so if your book is like this, it's not bad. It's not bad. And then so you keep adding text just like that. So let me add more. The same text. Now you can see that the text has overflown my guide. So in this case, I will simply just stop at where I'll just click on the last part, and okay, let me zoom in so I can. I think I've adjusted something. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll simply just copy this last part, cut it, then duplicate this, and I'll remove this, move this upward, paste that last part, and I continue like that. But before then, I will need to name, sorry, give my page sorry, number my pages. So I can copy this particular element, this one at to the right. Just click on it and click on copy, Ctrl C, then click on Ctrl V. Now I would just rotate it 90 degrees. Just rotate it 90, sorry. Okay, so this is it. Oh, sorry, making a mistake. I want to move it. So I just carry it here and bring it to the bottom. Okay, and then possibly let me increase the size of my screen. Possibly increase this, then put T, sorry, type T to then put 1, and then I guess it's going to be footer as well. No, okay, let me give it a bold. Sorry, make it bold. All right, then reduce this. Sorry, no, trying to reduce this young man. Okay, let me use this. Okay, trying to reduce it. So then once it's reduced, put it at the middle. Just go to position, click on center, change the color to white, change it into white, possibly increase this a little bit. Okay, so let me preview it. So this is page 1. Good, right? Is it making sense? I think it is. So that's pretty much how you go about. So when you're done everything, I think one more thing you can do is maybe duplicate this page and do a about me. So at the end of the day, you do an about me, so people can connect with you and know more about you. So you can just do here, you can write meet me, something like meet me. So this can be centralized if you want. Okay, and you use the same Futura and bold it. and increase it in size, possibly give it some spacing, later spacing, some later spacing. Okay, and so you talk about who you are, so this thing can come down a bit. So yeah, put in the text, body text as usual. Yeah, and talk about who you are. The next thing you want to do is go to elements, bring in a frame, circle frame, a frame. This will do. Then select your picture that you must have uploaded. Um, so I have a couple of pictures here. I can make use of this. Then you drag it in, double click on it, and position the picture correctly. Sorry, double click on it and position the picture correctly. Okay, so depends. So you use a better picture. This is just for tutorial purpose. So once you're done, then you put your name. So you can duplicate this. It's pretty easy. Duplicate this and write your name. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, you may want to choose another font, maybe a calligraphic font. Maybe a calligraphic font. I don't know if this will serve. No, this is not. I'm not even seeing what I'm not even seeing it. Okay, maybe Buffalo will serve. Yeah, Buffalo is not bad. So then you increase the font. You want to increase the fonts. Okay, so this is making progress. Then you want to connect. You want people to connect with you, so you can duplicate this and give it a heading like "Let's connect." Okay, this size can be reduced. Remember we used 35 the other time. Can just be reduced. Even this, everything here. To meet me, you can say "Let's connect." Okay, can be capital letter instead. Let's connect, and then maybe put some extra stuff here under this place. Let's connect. You can put maybe a line, just to give it a bit of, you know, just put a line here. Let me increase the screen. Sorry, let me increase the screen a bit. Give it a color of black, so this color. Reduce it. Okay, and maybe give it a weight. Make it a bit thicker. Okay, I think I'm okay with that. Okay, line the line is no longer straight. Okay, let's see if okay, it's not bad. Then I just put it here. It has to be at the middle. Okay, let's connect, and then so this is where you put in all those icons. So let's start with under element, go to Facebook. Let's go to Facebook and choose. You can choose this guy. Choose Facebook. Sorry, reduce the size. Trying to be fast here. Done almost 30 minutes. No, this is not supposed to be. It's too long. Facebook, Instagram. You can put Instagram, the different social media. Okay. Um, but that's still okay. I use this as Instagram. Then we have Twitter and the rest of them. So let's say YouTube. YouTube. Let's say YouTube. And let me use this as YouTube. Reduce the size. Okay, this, you can see these lines are helping me to, so as I reduce it, it's guiding me. So this young man needs to come here, this Instagram. Let me see if it's going to, good, good. I'm going to use this as well. That's what I'm doing. So there is that line that is giving me, so this is 37, 37. Good. So let's say this is all I want to put. Maybe there'll be WhatsApp as well. I want to put my WhatsApp icon, type WhatsApp, and different WhatsApp icons here. I don't know which one is okay. Can decide to use this. Can decide to use this and reduce it. So this YouTube should not be this. Even this WhatsApp, that's not the kind of WhatsApp I'm looking for. Okay, not to waste time, not to waste further time. You just take your time and look through everything and choose the right one. So you want to give one color. I want everything to be just one color. So don't YouTube. You can see that YouTube is carrying a red color, and it's not something I can change. I need something I can just want everything to just be one color. I don't know if this would be like that as well. No, this is coming in as an image. I'm looking for a graphics. I don't want an image. Let me see if this, okay, this one seems to be something I can change. So this YouTube is okay. Simply move it here and just reduce the size till it gets to where I'm looking for. Then all the sizes are, this sky on brown is going to be black. This one here is also going to be black. I don't know if I'm okay, whatever. So this is it. Now I'm going to centralize this. Okay. So all of these guys, I could just bring them to the center, right? Even this guy, this line, this content, and this can be at the middle as well. So then if I want to add a link, so I can, so that when they click on this, it takes them to my Facebook page. I simply just click on link, then I'll put my Facebook. Let's say https ps do facebook.com/ I guess, right? Once I'm done, click on enter. The link has been added. Okay, on YouTube it should be about the same. Just click on link, and I could just even type youtube.com/praise Coco, then click on enter. That's been linked. So this is pretty much about it. Okay, this is pretty much about it. And so once you have everything ready, your book is, once you go through everything, you're sure everything is okay, everything is intact. The next one you do is to export, is to download the book. Okay, to download the book. And there are two things you want to do. You can download the e-cover so that you can make it into a 3D as a 3D book cover. So first of all, let's click on share. You click on download. Now this time around, you want to click on PNG and select the book cover alone, the current page, which is page 1, right? You click on done and you click on download. Yeah, so the book cover will be downloaded. Let me download it. Then you also want to Okay, you also want to download. Oh, before you download, it's good you name this money making secrets. Okay, so now you want to download the book itself. You can download as PDF. The book is going to be as PDF. Now you simply leave it as PDF standard suggested, right? You are downloading the entire 5 pages, whatever pages that is written here, which is the total number. Here I have 5 pages, as you can see. I have 5 pages. This is the first one, book cover 1, table of content 2, introduction 3, this particular page 4, then meet me 5. Then you click on download. It's going to be downloaded. Then click on start download. See that the book has been downloaded. Let me open it in my PDF. Okay, so this is your book. Cancel this. Oh my god. Okay. Uh, Let me go to my download folder. Then go to documents. This is the book here, right? So this is a book. As you can see, it's making sense. Someone can easily read this and get value for something, right? And this is just about it. So they click on this place, it takes them somewhere. They click here. As you can see, so I'm highlighting it on it now. You can see that it is showing the link. It shows that this one is clickable, so they can easily connect with me on my social media pages. All right. So is this simple? So this is the ebook cover. Let's go back. This is the ebook cover. Right, looking really cool. So I'm going to show you how to create a 3D ebook cover, right, in one of my videos. Okay, so just watch out for that. All right, so this is pretty much about it. I hope you'll be able to. If you have questions or you are confused in any parts, please watch the video again and again. And if your questions are not answered by from the video, you can drop a comment. You can ask me a question in the comment section. I'll be glad to respond to you. Thank you very much, and bye.